Well, back to our weather alert with a live look outside. Smoke from wildfires to the north moving into our area.
Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon is in the weather sphere. And Albert, this can be a serious concern for a lot of folks.
Yeah, at least for the next few hours with reduced air quality, especially with those who have respiratory issues. You saw that live camera of the Dan Ryan, the haze in the distance. We can also see it from our camera at the Hancock that we have pointed out towards the south. Also a little bit of haze there. Here's what's going on the big map. The winds aloft and even at the surface beginning to shift more out of the north and northwest. So that's taking this smoke, that's its gray color from Canada, right into our area. It's kind of been increasing over the last couple of hours. And also on that northwesterly flow are disturbances that may allow for a few isolated showers and thunderstorms this evening, especially mid to late evening. So we have that chance of a thunderstorm through midnight. One or two could be on the strong side, so we're going to keep an eye on that. I want to show you this now. This is a time lapse from Midway. We have the camera looking off towards the northeast with Chicago in the distance. And this is all day today. So we've had that haze on and off, but you'll see the smoke is coming in waves. So not nearly as thick or as bad as we had 2 summers ago, 2 Julys ago, but it's still reduced air quality is in the forecast. This is a look at the air quality forecast for you. So we're looking at where the current smoke is, where it's headed, and how bad the air quality may be. The yellow is showing moderate air quality, and then the reds are showing that unhealthy air quality. And this particular product, which has done a really nice job keeping the worst of the air quality west into the southwest of Chicago through mid-evening. I think beyond 9 p.m., improvement as this smoke begins to shift out of the area. And tomorrow there could be a little bit of patchy haze in the morning, and that lingers into Sunday, but the worst the air quality is going to be this evening. So air quality for tomorrow, moderate category. If you have some outdoor plans, UV index jumps into the very high category, and pollen's also moderate as well. As we mentioned, on top of the smoke situation, we have at least a chance of thunderstorms here this evening. A little bit of light rain in Chicago. There are severe storms now to the south of Green Bay. That's going to continue to move down to the south. At the moment, this is sprinkles and some light stuff here and there, but as the evening goes on, there's at least a chance that we pick up a strong thunderstorm with some gusty winds and maybe even some small hail. I will tell you though, the model data not excited about that because the air is so much drier here than it is up towards the north in Wisconsin. So we'll put that rain chance pretty small for the remainder of the evening. Tomorrow's a cooler day. We're going to have winds coming off Lake Michigan. So we're back in the 60s for tomorrow, and it'll be even cooler near the lake. But then temperatures jump back up to 73, some hazy sun on Sunday. How about 87, feeling like summer on Monday? And then we get into an unsettled weather pattern in terms of thunderstorms. Chance of thunderstorms near 90 on Tuesday. Those rain chances jump to 90% on Wednesday, and some of the storms Tuesday night and Wednesday could be heavy. So we'll be watching that over the weekend and the days to come. Erica and Joe, back over to you.
Thanks, Albert.